I'm Jim Pinkham, MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168. Today, let's take a look at a brand new 2021 280 SLX. This 280 SLX is powered with an 8.2 mag Mercruiser engine. Has a through-hole exhaust. It's got the quiet ride on it, makes it very smooth and quiet in the water. A hydraulic submersible swim platform with boarding ladder here in the back. Dual rear speakers. Got a little tow point here for your rope tubes. This is in the stone interior with a gray C-deck flooring. Here on the back, stereo remote control. It has the manual arch. Undo this knob and the one on the other side, and the tower will fold down. This little pull-out drawer for keeping things cold. Got a large dual helm seat here, for a couple people to sit. Dual Simrad screens, chart plotters, electronic shift. It's a porcelain tank. Ample seating in the bow with the windlass. Again, this is the 2021 280 SLX by Sea Ray. Again, I'm Jim Pinkham, MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168. Be glad to show you this Sea Ray or any of the others that we have in stock. MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168.